Hello traders, John at StockBookie.com. Today we're looking at Nvda on the daily, weekly, monthly time frames using technical analysis here at StockBookie.com. So let's go right into the 10-minute. I just want to show you the gap and crap what happened to this thing today. This thing gapped up nice. It was just like, holy cow, this going again. Next thing you know, 20 minutes into the market, this thing starts rolling over. Next thing you know, the Qs are following. This thing's getting smashed, goes right back down to these areas here. I thought for sure a little bit lower, but look, we called that area out earlier in that day, saying this is where this thing could possibly go because it was a nice push up, breakout, then right back in, guys. Look at that fall though, unbelievable. So if you're long in Nvidia, just hold tight right now, nothing wrong. Markets come in, this could go lower. But let's go to the daily chart. We had a great reversal, guys, off a high pivot. That's telling me a top could possibly be in on this Nvidia. Again, buy the dip mentalities out there. We did not kiss the 20, so let's wait for pattern now. This thing could damn well go straight back up. It did have a nice, almost a $20 pullback, guys, and people who've been wanting to get in this one will get into this one at this point. I still think we're pulling back to the November lows. Where was this in November? The Trump trade right there, I think I don't know about 67, but I still think we're coming back down to maybe in the 90s or 100. You got a big gap filled down here, but we'll keep an eye on these markets. You get one day like this, doesn't mean we can start just coming selling. We do have good support down in this area, so keep an eye on this. Again though, guys, daily chart, nothing wrong. Nice reversal, did some damage, but let's see what this thing brings next week. If it goes right back up, then we'll see what happens if it's going to reach the 168. What was the high? 168.50, or does it just chop, and then possibly set up for the lower prices? Let's go to the weekly chart. Great topping tail, guys. I mean, this was great. 1, 2, 3, 4, gap up, crap out, got below the 50 or the 250 retrace. Pretty nice tail, guys. I'd have to measure it to see if it's a true topping tail in my book, but not bad. I will take that any time of the week. So if you are not short Nvidia, this one goes up into this area and cannot crack the 168.48, or even if it closes up in here, you could take this thing short. If you get follow through on the next week, you just got to stop out. Make it tight, make it sweet. Don't take a huge position, no more than 10% of your total portfolio. Take a half position. If this thing goes up to 180, take some more. If it goes up to 200, you could probably add more, get an average price about 180. But let's see, first step next week, we got to get above this area. If it retraces, gotta short this one, guys. And this is the other reason. Monthly chart extended. When it gets extended from the 20 MA, guys, it's got to come back in. It's just the way it is. This one's taking months to do it. Pretty nice bullish pattern. Pops up, comes in, nice reversal. We might even have a huge topping tail on the monthly. This one comes in and closes around 140, 132. This could possibly get ugly, but we'll still wait for the retrace. See if we could get on the short train here if you are not short Nvidia. Don't chase it down here. Let's see if we get a retrace, and if it goes down, then you're just going to miss the boat. We'll wait for the bounce and we'll go long in this one if you're not short already in Nvidia. Again, Eiffel Tower, guys, on the monthly, never good when the charts get extended like this. So watch Nvidia, keep an eye on it. If you are long, tighten the stop. This did some technical damage on this chart. We did fill the gap. We almost kissed the 20 MA. $20 down in one day in Nvidia, one of the stocks that's holding up the markets. As you could tell, though, as this thing was going up, everything was grinding. As this one came in, it took the Qs down, and the Qs came down, and there was some selling pressure overall. So, all right, guys, Nvidia, just tighten the stops. If you want to get short, wait for the retrace back up to the highs. If it gets above the high and starts going up 180, just make sure you take a small enough position where you can handle some pain. That's how you got to do it with these high flyers, guys. All right, if you like these videos, go to StockBookie.com, sign up for the free membership for videos like this, for email alerts to our live streaming sessions, trade ideas, some more technical analysis stuff, some education. Go there, guys, sign up. It's free. StockBookie.com. All right, that's it for tonight. Hopefully everyone is having a great weekend. Thanks for watching my videos. God bless. See you on the charts.